Welcome to Big Picture Blogs, giving undistorted context to divine information to prevent being taken out of context and combat misinformation. Search for related masterclass by Spirit's Envoy. Blog written by Spirit's Envoy. Freelance most senior correspondent Divine Pendulum Master and Guardian Alliance Envoy. She is licensed channeler, channeling female energy and directly connected to all that is. Ordained and anointed level 12D consciousness. She is known as Miss Vega Professor. Humble Lady Master Keeper. Disclosure here. All is just as it is stated. 100% love, light, truth. Copyright all rights reserved. This blog is rated as suitable for all 11 years plus, and includes channeled divine information and reality check, tested by divine pendulum testing dowsing. Narrated by voice over, and is accompanied by AI-generated images. This blog is also part of a new exclusive series, Truth About Arcturian's Downfall and End, explaining just that. Watch this space for more. Spirit's Envoy YouTube channel only, so the hunter-gatherers never insulted their mother, or any of their female companions. They did better than most. 7 sisters, Adam and Eve. Medusa. Stories shading your minds. Who is a victim and who are the villains? Who is the sinless and who is the sinner? What is it about this story that is so vivid in all human consciousness? I say it is a warning. Not a fantasy. Not mythology. Not reality. Such bad behavior surely. Right. Unacceptable all places in the universe. In God's heavens. Well, look at yourselves today. Sexual abuse is common. Gender violence is normalized. Misogyny on a rise, and you call it manosphere. Abuser alphas and the victim a problem. How could it ever be anything other than a warning? Well, it wasn't until you throw the bone to Arcturians. And here comes Greek mythology and Roman power. Remind you they killed Jesus. They actually thought they could kill the Son of God. And even that they could get away with it. As stated in Disclosure, Arcturians are wholly responsible for 100% of wars on Earth and elsewhere. And God knows it all. And not just that. Aliens exploit and colonize. They don't like humans. There is something evil about it. And it is all of it. Statues with goddesses' breasts exposed. The pornography of ancient times. And so-called God disrespecting everything that moved. I don't think so. Just imagination of dirty shit. So mythological god Zeus is definitely a deepfake. And his power is fake news. There is no one like him. But Arcturian impersonating that. Eternal punishment is quicker than you think. It is not an entertainment like a horror movie or male superiority. Cynical, predatory, callous. The Medusa was the head of sleazy MAGA, not the raped female. The rapist was punished. Honor killings are capital sin. Consider the costs next time you publicize naked self and proud. It is self-harm that is often exploited by dirty shit. Unhealthy females feeding nasty fantasies of unhealthy males. And even aliens. There is a thought. There are no male gods, nor there ever have been. Yet, there are goddesses. And some even call them sisters. Not mothers. Nothing in the universe is male. She is infinite perfection. The universe. Our Creator Mother. Apple was poison given to naively trusting. Do you bite it? Apple is not a source of knowledge, and knowledge is not a book. It is not a sin, but your evolution guided all the way. Your awareness that you are with respect to self and all. And so always decently clothed. So, also important stats for you. How common is mythology, fake news propaganda of the olden days? 97%. How many of your ancient statues are insulting the real God? 87%. Hence imagining God is forbidden. God is not seen yet is everywhere around you. Always there and your witness. How much of a known history was manipulated by negative entities? 99% no real gods there. God is uncomprehendable. Only 7 days of creation for all to express and begin its journey of growth and life. And on day 7, God saw her creation and she saw it was good. Then there was a paradise called Pleoma and God created first couple. First pair. Feminine and masculine. And Eve was definitely first and God's royal egg. There is no egg without a mother, and her male companion Adam created later to live in love and support to his wife. The first couple, the foundation of expressed souls, first soul beings created by God herself. This couple are no other than the parents of Lord's Son, the firstborn soul, your incarnated Jesus Joshua 12, with divine lineage directly to God. Husband to God, divine feminine, who was rewarded for his service but not that sacrifice. Since his murder, by the order of God, his parents are protecting humanity. Your godmother Lady Gaia Achaea Earth, sacred feminine, and godfather Lord Father Achaea Sky, sacred masculine, moral guides to all humankind. Then, not the pure but corrupted have fallen with karma, and you are on the quest to prove your humanity in the beautiful land of Earth. Survival of fittest is a fit test, which is your love, light, truth, and compliance with divine laws. Those that failed were punished by divine justice, God herself. They are zero. The Arcturians are. Only love, light, truth may live. Thank God, Mother of mercy and love. Exclusive and not out-of-date information. All official and original only by Spirit's Envoy. Real divine codes only here, and are included in all her released videos. For more of the speech from divine, please see Ascension Gospel and Disclosure by Spirit's Envoy. Available on this channel for free. God is willing and you shall know the truth. Spirit's Envoy brought you a free do-it-yourself course dowsing mini-series, which makes everyone who seeks the truth. Members of the general public. Temporarily a class attester. For all those acquiring this skill. It provides all important protection from disinformation and deception, and negative influences. Copyright, all rights reserved. The biggest problem of our time is to know the truth. This short course created by Spirit's Envoy Divine Testing Master is the answer to that. Teaches even absolute beginners how to find the truth for themselves, without relying on third parties such as media outlets or social media. Please like, subscribe and share, and support healing and ascension on Earth.